Hey guys, welcome back. It is what, Tuesday? Happy Tuesday. I'm going to show you 5 different ways you can make your own labels for your journals in no particular order. So one way is to just stamp words and then cut them out, put them on the back of any scrap paper, which is what I did with these ones. And you get the drift. That's just scrap paper, a stamped label, and then here I use a staple just for interest. So that's easy way number 1. Here's another method. These are just watercolor swatches, and then I stamped over the splotch of watercolor. And there you go, a bunch of labels. I have tons in here, and then, oops. So, and yeah, you could do numbers, words. So that's another way that you can add a label collection to your junk journaling, art journaling. So another method, even though this isn't a word, I still kind of consider it a label, but just stamped images on scrap paper. Might not qualify as a label, but I'm just showing you another way to add interest. Oops, I still think they're labels, because if I had my journal next to me here, yeah, actually I do. I'm trying to find, let's see if I had like an envelope. I don't know. So if I had like an envelope here, I could put a label on top of the envelope. You know, I use that term loosely for that one, but I just wanted to show you another method. Another way, these are all the same method, but just different, I guess, twist to it. Take some of your grocery bags, cut it up, and then do stamping, and then I just left a little tiny border around, and now you have some kind of vintagey looking labels. Here's method number, I lost track, this might be 4 or 5. I just took magazines, and I cut out words or phrases. Even I started doing letters, I don't know why. I have a bunch more somewhere else, but just cut out words, and then I backed them just to scrap paper. And then, you know, of course it could just be, you know, a label on anything. That method I might make some more because I think it's like one of the easiest ways to do it. Well, stamping's easy too, but let's see if I have another method in my box. See, I keep labels and numbers, words at hand, just because I think it's fun. So these are all just stamped. There's another thing I did, whoops, is I have some word stamps, so I just, you know, put them back to back. And then it could be just some interest in a journal, or you could even cut them apart, keep them together. Some of this is on thicker paper, and then some's just on, you know, cheap, flimsy paper. This is painted paper. And then I just did a stamp for Christmas. Let's see if there's any other. Oh, you know, sometimes I do black and white theme, because I like that theme too. And I repeat the stamp, so I have multiples, but so that's definitely some ways you can add labels. Oops, I'm making a mess. Interest to your journal. So I just wanted to stop on here and show you some of my methods. My methods of madness. But I really do love making, you know, little stamped pieces of ephemera, but my video for right now is just kind of showing you labels. I've also used, I'm making a mess, magazine pieces. Even though it's flimsy, it's just going to be glued down in collage, so, you know, use what you have. I love doing numbers. You could do it on all, you know, black and white, colors, staples, different background papers. It's just really endless, you know. Obviously, you see I've been busy doing this, but this is months of kind of playing around with making more stuff. Because when I sell my collage packs, I send this stuff along, so. But have fun with your stamps and mass making labels, guys. Happy Tuesday, and I'll see you later. Bye.